I just received this package today. I'm assuming it is the Blade mCX2 helicopter that I got from eBay through an auction. And while I was bringing downstairs to my workshop, there were things rolling inside. I hope it has been packed well because I don't want to find a broken helicopter. I mean, the description said it's for parts or repair, but I'm hoping that it can be, salvaged. I just got it for 33 bucks, and the new ones sell for $100, and 33 bucks was like delivered to my door. So I was excited about that. Okay, the person turned it inside out to be able to ship, looks like. Here we go, Blade mCX2, the manual is here. And the description said that, there's even a AC to DC adapter, 6 volt. I guess that's okay, so there were the batteries, I think, rolling around inside. I was saying the description said that the battery charger is faulty, it's not working, and it has 2 batteries. I don't know why the person left this battery connected to it, which will drain the whole battery and then kill it. Should not have been connected. Anyway, let's pull this out. Here we go. And he said it came with 2 new batteries. Well, after seeing that one was left connected, 1 battery, hopefully. So I took a risk because the person said, the eBay seller said that he couldn't test it, or he or she couldn't test it because the battery charger was not working. I don't know if you want to believe it or not. I'm just hoping, more batteries here. I'm hoping that it is going to work. Wow, on off switch is all the way set in. This is a new thing. So here I have my other older micro helis from E-flite. This is the original Blade mCX, the yellow one. And this is the other one, more advanced Blade MSR or Micro SR. Both from E-flite. And here I have the controller where the power button is here, not inset like this one. I guess over the years they changed the name, so it's not E-flite anymore, it's like Blade. Became its own brand. I was looking online, it said bladehelis.com, so oh well. Let's see if this works. Since this has batteries, let's put these batteries in the controller and see if it powers up. And I don't have to test these batteries. I have this Electron Pro 180 milliamp hours battery that I got from eBay. 6 of them were like $23. Been using them. These helis, they give great capacity, long flight time, just like slightly more, slightly heavier than the original batteries. So if I can reach this inside, okay, my pinky, okay, turned off. Maybe the batteries are old. I don't know why. The person shipped old batteries to me, and one is like a different. They're like 3 of them the same brand, and then the 4th one is another brand. Let's get rid of these. I don't know what this is. Oh, I see. Alright, now I know what this is. There's this piece, do you see? I was trying to reach inside, and inside the box there's this little tab that goes in for switching on and off. I think it fell off or something. Now it looks very similar. Alright, I'm going to borrow the batteries from this one. You may ask me, you have 2 mCX or MSR helicopters already, why get another one? Well, I wanted to have another working one to give my younger son. Out of all different aircraft like planes, drones and helicopters, I think he likes helicopters most. So just want to surprise him with a cheap $33 gift. Let's see. Okay, so now this is working. Let me get this out of the way. Let's take the new battery electron, slide it in. It's a little longer than the regular ones. It will fit. And then let's get it connected. Let's see if we can see any lights in there. So I saw some light and went away. I'm just wondering if it needs to be bound. So to do that, usually on this one you press one of these, I think it was the left stick, and then oh, it looks like it bound. There are lights flashing. Yes, it is working. It doesn't mean it's flying, but let's see if it's going to fly as well. So the servos are working. Both servos are working in there. Let me stay a little away from my phone that's serving as the camera. Okay, I think I'm going to try it over here, not on the table. Here, so you can see the whole accident waiting to happen. I consider myself an experienced beginner in helicopters. So, yeah, I'm not a complete noob, but I'm an experienced beginner. I'm not intermediate yet. This box will do. And let's get it flying. And it is flying. It's trying to go, it's not well trimmed. But it is flying. And the lights look beautiful on my other mCX, late mCX. The yellow one doesn't have the lights. It's drifting, so maybe it's just the trim. I may have reached the end of the trim though. Okay, doing better. Come back here. Okay, hands-free for 33 bucks, delivered to my door, and has everything except the charger, which I don't care about. My son is going to be so pumped up about this. I'm going to make him a surprise. And once trimmed, I think it's going to be a good trainer for him. Yeah, very similar to my other mCX. I love these coaxial helis. They make things look so easy, and then you switch to a single blade one and suddenly you understand you are not a heli pilot. You are just a noob, or in my case, experienced beginner. Well, folks, I think that's it. This is a short review, but everything looks good. So you can still find these gems for very cheap, like on eBay. And for used, you just have to be patient. I think this was an auction and I won it. It's not like straight out buying it. I have to take a look, I forgot. But, I mean, these are still new. These still sell on bladehelis.com. So This is great. I have another one. Another one added to my fleet. I'm a bargain hunter. I keep saying I'm a cheap person. I don't want to pay a lot of money. I hunt for these bargains and try to get it for half the price or less than half the price. Thank you for watching and see you next time. Stay safe and healthy.